Want to work tax-free, earn in dirhams or dollar, and live in one of the most luxurious cities in the world? Freelancing in Dubai is the gold mine, and most people do not even know about it. If you are in AI, data science, data engineering, cybersecurity, or IT, Dubai is calling for you. Companies are throwing crazy amount of money at skilled IT professional, and I can show you how you can make some money. Not some, but a lot of money. First, I will tell you why freelancing in Dubai is 5 times easier than anywhere else. Most people apply to job for Dubai from India but never get a response. Why? Because companies here prefer employees or people they can meet in person. If you are already in Dubai, you can get the key 5 times faster than living in somewhere else because you can shake hand, build trust, and have that trust between you and the employer. I'll tell you a success story where a guy tripled his income in Dubai. Let me tell you about Ahmed, a data scientist. He moved to Dubai on freelance visa while still working for his US employer. Smart move, right? After landing in Dubai, he started freelancing for different companies in Dubai. Within a year, his income tripled. And guess what? A Dubai company saw potential in him and gave him the full-time job. If you want to do full-time job, do that. If it's highly paying, a good position, a lot of team you can handle, all this thing. If you want to get that job. Otherwise, freelance, high project for a high paying client. If that is you, you can do that as well. If you are into AI, machine learning, data engineering, cybersecurity, crypto, blockchain, all these things are the new oil. It's like your brain is filled with oil, right? Something like that. How is it? Let me tell you, for this skill, Dubai is hiring like crazy. They are crazy after these employees. They are crazy after this tech skill because there's a lot of use cases in present scenario and they don't want to be left behind in the race, right? I'm telling you, even if you do freelancing, if you do little bit, okay, you will make over $100,000 a year smoothly. The best part, if your employer is a high paying employer, you can work from them while doing this freelancing in Dubai. And let's not forget Dubai's lifestyle. You must have seen all the celebrities from all around the world enjoying Dubai's lifestyle. Don't you want to do that for yourself as well, huh? Move out of your hometown. Get in Dubai and let's have some fun. How about chilling in Jumeirah Beach while getting paid by multiple clients? If that seems like a dream, that can be yours. Unlike your unlike your home country, there's no income tax. So you can keep every single penny you earn. Isn't that wonderful? The government is not after your pocket, man, here. It's a safe place, I'm telling you. But listen, Dubai is not just about working online, right? If you want to make serious amount of money, you need to go there and start doing networking. It's a great hub for networking. Why don't you go there and attend event like GITEX, if I'm pronouncing that right, or let me check, STEP Conference or AI, everything. All these are the gold mine for freelancers. The biggest company, the best talent, biggest company, all new startup, all old startup, everybody is here. Go there, network there and grow rapidly. But wait, hold on. You cannot just go there and start looking for freelance work. That's illegal, dude. Hold on. That's illegal. I'll tell you the legal process. Listen up. So to make it legal, here's a quick breakdown. I'll tell you. I have this written in my laptop. Apply for freelance visa via Go Freelancer or Dubai Internet City. Submit your passport, CV and work portfolio. Let's move to the third thing. Pay for your freelance permit and residence visa, which is around 3-4 lakh Indian rupees in total. Once approved, start working and living your dream life in Dubai and chill there. And if you're earning well, apply for golden visa and live there for like 10 years. So here are my final thoughts why you should consider Dubai and go there and work there. Dubai is not all just about work. It's about freedom, opportunities and living life on your own terms. Don't you want that freedom, man? Let's be honest. This employer keep us a lot restricted. We want to live our life, right? Yeah, there's a hybrid and all these things are cool. But if your employer is not letting you live properly, I'm telling you, there's more to life, man. There's more to life. Not just work. You can work, you can earn, you can make a lot of money to your employer. At the same time, you can make a lot of money for yourself as well. And your soul didn't came into this world just to work and die, right? This world has a lot to offer. Think about that. Whether you're working remotely for your Indian employer, freelancing in Dubai, and building your own empire can be the smartest move you take. So what's waiting you? Send this to your friend, send this to your friends and tell them there's more to life than just working 24/7 and you can make a hell lot of money. Just move out of this place, man. Just move out of this place. And keep coming back because dil to dhadakta hai isi ke liye, right? Want more tips like this? Subscribe and stay tuned.